All right, gonna have a look at the Spyderco Para 3. Okay, not the Paramilitary 3, but the Para 3. This is not a new model for their lineup, but they just changed the blade material. So let's check out what we got here. All right, so with the Para 3, it might not appeal to the hardcore Paramilitary 2 enthusiasts. Why? Because it's much smaller than the Para 2. Okay. In fact, okay, I use centimeters, so this is gonna throw me off, but it's only a tad over 4 inches in length. All right, and with the blade extended, let's see how long that is. Okay, so with that, it's roughly, let's say 7 inches. Okay, so roughly seven or so. So it's not huge. Okay, it's just I guess you can call it somewhat scaled down Paramilitary 2. But however, they're not calling it the Paramilitary 3, just the Para 3. Okay, let's take a look up close really quickly. Okay, so this one has got the G10 scales in camo. Okay, so for this particular, these steels, they're gonna have 2 versions of this. The other one's gonna have the black G10 scales, and the blade is offered in either, you know what? I've been hearing conflicting things. It's either a satin or a Stonewash finish, but I believe the blade, it looks more like a Stonewash to me. But there's only 2 finishes. You got the DLC, the diamond-like carbon coating, or you can go for this kind of finish. Okay, I'm just gonna call it Stonewash for right now. Okay, so let's look at the other side. Same thing. All right, so you can adjust the clip to 4 different positions. You can carry tip up, tip down. Okay, for those who like to carry tip up, I've read a lot of feedback, and people don't particularly like the clip. Okay, I carry tip down, so I don't know. I just got it, so I can't really give much feedback about that. Anyways, I love the compression lock on these. It's a good peace of mind. Okay. Good compression lock. All right, let's open it up. Okay. All right, let's take a look at the whole thing. My lighting's not that great. Okay. So this is my hand here. You see that? It's not. So it's so different than the Paramilitary 2. Okay. All right, let's continue. Okay. Come on. And here's the finish I'm talking about on the blade. See that? That's not a satin finish. It is not a satin finish. With a satin finish, you're gonna see the lines from the grind. Okay. So as a comparison, here's my Dragonfly 2. You can immediately see the lines. You see that, the vertical lines? Yeah, you don't get that here. Let's see if you can see the other side. Okay, you see that? I like this. Okay. And it's really clever. I like how they put earth on there. It's really funny. Okay. So the Para 3s are indeed assembled in the United States. So just like its bigger brother, the Paramilitary 2. All right, so this is the version that comes with the new steel, and here it is. Okay. So S45VN. Now, from my experience, I've only had VG10 steel, so I can't give you any feedback about this. However, from what I researched, it's incrementally better than, let's say, the S35, S30. So it's not like a completely different alloy metals, fantastic special edition material. Okay, it's just a bump up. Okay, so overall, I think this is a good EDC knife for those who don't want something as big as the Paramilitary 2. Okay, you know, this is something you got to feel with your hands, but it's very, very ergonomic. All right. Okay, let's just check out the jimping, the choil on the back here. It's nice and finished. It's not sharp, no sharp edges. It's nice and finished. Over here too. Okay, so very comfortable grip. There is a lightweight version with FRN handles as well. Okay, here's a big, really big loop there. You could put a lanyard in there. All right, so in terms of ergonomics, okay, so I can say that it feels very, very good in the hand, okay? I don't have small hands, but I don't have large hands either, okay? So this feels really good. This feels very comfortable, okay? There's another knife I think of when I think of ergonomics. That is the Dragonfly 2. Why? Because everyone dismisses it. It's a small knife. It can't do crap. In my opinion, I think this is one of the best Spydercos to have. Okay. And once again, it's the same idea as that. Side or dimensions apart. Okay. The ergonomics, the comfort, the grip is amazing. You see that? It just feels just right. Same thing goes for this Para 3. The ergonomics, the grip, everything. It just feels all right to me. It feels like just perfect. If you have bigger hands, I don't know. But I'm saying for me personally, okay, I like this a lot. Okay. So if for any people looking for an EDC knife that's not small like the Dragonfly 2, even though I like the Dragonfly 2, but you want something a little more, okay, maybe you're bored of the Delica, you don't want the Endura, okay, you want something made in the United States, then I highly recommend the Para 3, okay? Now, it doesn't have to be this metal, I'm just saying this, the Para 3 is a good model in my opinion, okay? And in terms of steels, well, that's gonna be your personal preference, all right? Thank you very much for watching this video.